I was doing some thinking over the past couple of days after I rebuilt the Weasel fuel pump and how it had a seal, an oil seal in it. And I got to thinking, and I went to my parts and found this seal that I didn't install that slips right over here. Then the spring goes down on top of it, the return spring for the diaphragm. And then we have to blindly hook our pull rod for the diaphragm onto the lever. So if anybody buys this kit from Chevs of the 40s, use that seal. I put just a little bit of grease on the pull rod and the top of the seal down in there, right on there, to help keep things kind of supple until I use it. And you know, every fuel pump kit that I have installed never had seals like this before. So this is a new thing to me, but it's correct. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I'm going to pop this thing back together. It's a little tricky. I don't need to do that again, so just wanted to do a supplemental about the seal. All right, have a great day.